So in earlier classes you learned about algebraic expressions, whatever. So before going to polynomial, we have to discuss about basics of polynomials. First one is variable. What is variable? The variable, the value should be changed. Remind, the value should be changed. So every time the value is changing. So nothing but we have to express the variables. All variables are expressed in alphabet, English alphabets. X comma y comma z comma a comma b comma whatever. Y means in place of x we can write 2. So in place of x we can write -3. So like that we have to change every time in place of variables. You have to insert the values every time. So every time value is changing. So that's why variable is variance. Variance is nothing but changing. So that's why variable is changed value. Next, second one is constant. What is constant? All numerical values are expressed. Nothing but 2 every time 2 only, 3 every time 3 only, 0 every time 0. So in place of 0 we cannot write 2, in place of 3 we cannot write -5. Whatever. So that's why the value should not be changed. The value should be changed means variable. Should not be changed means constant. Next one is term. What is term? Term means it is a single number or single variable you are thinking about that. But what is meaning? The variable or constant. The variable or constant or both. Which is applicable, multiplication or division is called a term. So x is a variable, 2 is a constant. X is a variable, 2 is a constant. The only variable also a term, the only constant also is a term, the both combination also is a term when multiplication or division. Nothing but x into 2 we can write, 2 into x we can write, x by 2 we can write, 2 by x we can write. Multiplication and division, whatever. So this is also a term, this is also a term, this is also a term, this is also a term. What is the meaning? Term, the variable or constant or which are applicable multiplication or division is called a term. Next, algebraic expression. Already you know very well. Algebraic expression means two or more terms which are applicable, addition or subtraction is called a algebraic expression. Two or more terms which are applicable, addition or subtraction is called an algebraic expression. Suppose x square is a term, 5x is another term. Which are applicable, addition or subtraction? Addition or subtraction. 2 or more means you can write any number of terms. So this is the algebraic expression, term, constant, variables. These are the basics of polynomials. If you want to know about polynomial, first of all you should learn these basics. What is variable? Every time is changing value. What is constant? It should not be changed the value. So what is the term? The variable or constants are which are applicable, multiplication or division is called a term. And algebraic expression means two or more terms which are applicable, addition or subtraction is called an algebraic expressions. Now What is polynomial? So in the title only, the meaning is the poly means many, nomials means terms. So polynomial nothing but many terms. So in this we can divide into two types based on the degree, based on the terms. Should discuss about that. First of all, what is about polynomial means? An algebraic expression. An algebraic expression involving variables. Involving variables with non-negative integral powers. Is called a polynomial. Once again listen. An algebraic expressions involving variables with non-negative integral powers is called a polynomial. Suppose x square minus 5x plus 5. Here this is algebraic expression because of three terms which is applicable in addition or subtraction. Okay. Next, involving variables means x square, x is a variable. Okay. With non-negative integral powers. Non-negative means what? No negative. No negative. No negative means only positive. And also non-negative means non-negative number 0 also will come now. So positive numbers means 1, 2, 3 and so on, and 0 means whole numbers, nothing but. Where it will be integral powers means which has x square means 2, x means 1. So power should be whole numbers. Then it will be a polynomial. Otherwise it will not be a polynomial. So in this example it is a polynomial. Suppose x square minus 5 by x plus 3. Here denominator is variable. So nothing but we can write x square minus 5 into x power minus 1. Then x power means negative is there. So it is not a polynomial. First of all, you should know about polynomial clearly. An algebraic expressions involving variables with non-negative integral powers. Non-negative integral powers means no negative powers. So powers compulsory non-negative. Then only it will be a polynomial. So which is not a polynomial, you should know about that first. I will give few examples. You can get clear idea. So first of all, denominator in the denominator variable means whatever x square minus 5 by y plus 3, it is a denominator variable. Denominator having variable. Next one, negative powers. Negative powers also not a polynomial. Next, powers in decimals. Powers in decimals, fractions, square root, in the sense roots, square roots or cube roots, whatever. Suppose decimals means x power 3 minus 3x power minus 0 whatever plus or 0.3 plus 50. Next, fraction means x power 4 minus 5x cube plus 3 x power 1 by 2 plus 1. This is 1 by 2. This is 0.0. This is minus 3. And square root means x is x power root 2 plus 5x plus 1. So power should be only whole numbers. Then only it will be polynomial. Otherwise it is not a polynomial. Whatever the example. You have to observe each and every term. Then only you will get idea. So now clear idea about polynomials. Denominator variable not a polynomial. Power should be negative also not a polynomial. Power should be decimals also not a polynomial. Fractions. Okay. Square roots or cube root whatever. But you have to identify if number having root, number having negative, number has decimal, number has square root, then it will be also polynomial. It will be also polynomial because of we are discussing about variable only, not a number. That you have to remind. Because of they are confusing in examples, they will give like that. Means root 2 x square minus 5x plus 3. Suppose in this example, root will be only root having only 2, not x square. So x square, x have positive number is there, not 2. But here root 2 number. So that is not applicable for number. So it is a polynomial. So root is there. So it is not a polynomial. Like that you are thinking. So that's why I am telling. It is only applicable for variable, not a constant. That you have to remind. Now, types of polynomials. Types of polynomials, two types. Based on the degree, based on the terms. Okay, based on the degree. So if it is degrees 1, degrees 2, degrees 3, like that it will be divided. But what is the degree of polynomial? Suppose x square minus 5x cube plus 3x power 6 plus 1. So in this one, 1, 2, 3, 4 terms are there. So in these 4 terms, what we will do is 2, 3, 6. Here there is no variable means nothing but 0. So which is the degree? So which is the highest exponent of variable in a polynomial? That is the degree of polynomial. If it is single term is there, if it is single term is there, means nothing but this is only one term. So here 1, 2, 3, 4 terms are there now. So this is a polynomial. Next, this is only single term. I will discuss about what a single term means. Then here, sum of exponent of variable. 2 plus 2 plus 5, nothing but 9. So degree of monomial is 9. So first of all, what is the terms based on terms? If it is a term 1, monomial, means 2x square y, whatever, it is a single term. Next, if it is terms are 2, that is a binomial, means only two terms, nothing but 2x square minus 5x. 3 terms means trinomial, 3x square minus 5x plus 1. 4 terms means quadrinomial, means 3x cube minus 5x plus 1, whatever, 2x square plus 1. So if it is a single term means that is a monomial. If it is 2 terms are there in a polynomial, that is binomial. In a polynomial having 3 terms means trinomial, 4 terms means quadrinomial, more means polynomial, nothing but. Next, based on the degree, degree should be 1 means that is a linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. So in this number of terms are there is no problem, but every term should be only degree 1, means x power 1 or y power 1 whatever, that should be a linear polynomial. Degree 2 means that is a quadratic polynomial, means degree 2 means whatever, that is 2xy or 5x plus 1. Here x power 1, y power 1. Or nothing but 2x square minus 5x plus 1. Degree should be 1. Degree should be 2. That is a quadratic. Degree 3 means cubic polynomial. Degree 4 means biquadratic polynomial. Before, what is the degree of polynomial? What is the degree of monomial? These are two are there. So simple, whatever degree of monomial means we can count, because of here 2, 2, 5 in between multiplication only. So that's why we should add the sum of the exponents of variable is degree of monomial. But here in between minus plus will be there. So we cannot add, because of this term having 2, this term having 3, this term having 6, this term having 0. So in this we cannot decide which is degree. That's why we have to idea about highest exponent of variable in a polynomial is degree of polynomial. Here the only one term, so that's why we can add sum of exponents of variable in monomial is degree of monomial. So based on the degree, these are the polynomials. Based on the terms, these are the polynomials. Okay? Thank you.